How to pay after delivery on AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress pay after delivery feature if it's available to you. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, tap onto the cart, then select an item and go to the checkout option. On the payment screen, look for the option that says Pay After Delivery, usually under the Payment Method section. This feature is only available in selected countries and for eligible accounts. You may need a good purchase history or verification. Select Pay After Delivery, add it to the terms and place your orders. After the product is marked as delivered, you'll have a few days to make the payment, usually through your AliPay or link method. And that's how you can use Pay After Delivery on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping and I'll see you in the next video.